Look how cold it is outside. Literally, my wing is frozen. That's insane. The roof too, it's just all ice. Yeah, it's pretty cold, I guess. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna work on the 8.6 again, and we're gonna make this Voltex wing just a bit better. So I have some new wing stands for this. I also have a giant banner for the bottom. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what we got. Here we have some solid wing stands from Aerogenics USA. So as you can see, I think it will look so much cleaner with a solid stand, for sure. Like, there's no doubt about it. I think it just cleans up the entire side, gives it more of a time attack spec looking wing, you know. And it was just really the first thing I wanted to get anyway when I got the Voltex wing. So I'm not saying the holes look bad or anything, but I just think it looks better with the solid stands. I could still rock this like this, but I think the solid stands is the way to go. And then, as y'all can see, I have this giant Voltex banner from Evasive, and it should fit under there, I hope. Usually you put this on a swan neck or like a Type 7 wing, but I always wanted the Voltex sticker or whatever on the bottom. I think it would go well with what I got here. So we're gonna throw that on as well. And then, yeah, we're gonna see what this looks like with these solid stands. So we're gonna take the foil off first. I'm by myself, so hopefully I don't drop this thing, because that would kind of suck. Real quickly, we're gonna see if this banner fits. It should. Oh yeah, it's gonna be freaking awesome. Gotta make sure I center that, but check it out, guys. I don't know, you guys might think it's tacky. I think it's cool. I always wanted the Voltex banner on the Voltex wing I was gonna get someday, and here we are. So yeah, I'm gonna center this somehow, measure it, lay this on. First try, because that's all I got. Yeah, guys. Go ahead and put the stands on first, though. So in case you guys need like a side-by-side comparison of the Aerogenics versus the Voltex, you can see they're pretty similar. You do see a little bit of a curve here from the Aerogenics, which I think may sit the wing back further. I'm not really sure though. Kind of looks about the same, but yeah, this Aerogenic stand is for the curved trunk, so that's what the 8.6 is. And as you can see, we just lay it here. It looks super sick. I'm so excited, guys. Solid stands for the win. Let's toss the new stand on. Just in case I have to adjust anything or whatever. But looks pretty good, guys, I think. Here's a comparison of the two. Here's the Aerogenics solid stands. I think it cleans up the look so much, guys. Question is whether this makes the wing sit further back or not. It kind of looks like it would because of that curve, but why not by a lot? But either way, guys, I think I'm a fan. So let's go ahead and get the other side on here. And then we're gonna put this sticker on the back before we bolt the foil back on. So let's do it. Alright, so that took a little bit, but here is the rear banner on the Voltex wing. Some bubbles here and there, but I think they'll go away over time. I'm trying to clear them up now, but anyway, thing is massive. I think it'll add a nice touch to the car. I got the solid stands on. It's really just time to bolt on the foil on top and just see what this looks like. I might try to mess with this banner more because there are some bubbles. It's actually kind of hard to put on, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of funny because I run a sticker company, but I can't even put on a banner, so that's pretty funny. But anyway, this thing is massive. I think this is designed for the Type 7 or a swan neck wing, but I think on the Type 2 it still looks okay. I don't care if it's rice or not. I'm the biggest ricer I know, and this is the funnest thing ever. We'll see where this wing sits now. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same, but it's a welcome bonus if it does push it back more, but not too worried about it. The sticker looks sick, by the way. I'm just gonna keep the same angle of attack here that I had before. Just a quick first look. It looks so awesome now with the solid stands. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna try to see if I can capture the angle of this in the garage. I honestly think it's about the same, but I don't know. It may have pushed out the rear just slightly, which is fine. I mean, I kept the same angle here. Pretty sure I put it back at the right spot, but yeah guys, this thing is super awesome. Check out the banner. So it's relatively subtle, I guess, until you go underneath. Although you can't really see it as much as I thought you would, but that's kind of how it goes with the Type 2. Anyway, it's kind of subtle. Like if you're taking a picture down here, you kind of see it. Might be a little much, but I don't know. We'll see how we like it. I think I'm gonna keep it on there for a little bit. I think that's probably the extent of the stickers on this car. I might add a couple more here or something, but I don't know. Try to keep this thing clean. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna get some shots outside. This is looking pretty sick. Guys, this is literally what dreams are made of. The solid stands just made such a big difference on how this car looks. It just cleans up everything. Everything goes, it's perfect together. It's amazing how such a kind of small detail, I suppose, big wing, small detail, can make a difference. Definitely a super high quality product from Aerogenics. Like, it's super solid, and oh my goodness, guys, car just surprises me more and more every time. I have to do a full model review video of this thing. Once I probably get one more thing on here, and then it'll be pretty much it for, you know, phase 2, I guess. I don't know really what number we're at now, but hey guys, that was the solid wing stand for your Voltex wing. They also make a variety of different other things too, but these solid stands definitely do the job. Like, look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. That'll be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Definitely a big fan of these solid stands. I think it gives the overall look a more streamlined feel. Everything comes together now. I think the holes on the original stand, I mean, it's cool, it's the classic look or whatever, but I think these solid stands just go so much better with everything else that's on the car. But as always, guys, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at will.kgfx. Check out Katana Style, katanastyle.com, and at katana.style on Instagram. There's going to be major holiday sales coming up soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.